has it affected your life, your outlook?
It's definitely given me more confidence. It's given me the ability to kind of change up hairstyles and just have that look that I've wanted for years.
We're going to present James today. He's 45 years old and had a strip transplant or FUT 9 months ago. So I'm going to show you some pre-op photographs. As you can see, he had a Norwood 4 pattern with balding of the interior one half of the scalp, and you can see the sides as well as the interior portion of the scalp. And in a moment we'll also see the scar from the strip transplant. I'm now going to show you the results. You can see a very natural hairline with high density, and this is after 9 months. You turn to your left, please. A bit more, please. So this is the results after 9 months. Turn back, please, slowly. Turn back. And here you can see the hair with the imperceptible overlap or transition into the natural hair which is here. So this is transplanted hair, this is natural hair. Once again, let's look at the hairline, please. You can see the very natural high density hairline. Turn to your left, please. More. Let's look at the back. Now, yeah, if you turn around and let's try and find the scar, please. So this is the scar from the strip. You can see a very fine line here.
Okay.
Turn to your left, please. This is the scar from the strip. It's a very, very fine line, about 1 millimeter wide. So what do you think of the transplant?
I'm quite happy with the results. It was a little slow going at the beginning after pre-op, but yeah, that's why I came to Dr. Gupa. I'm very, very happy with the results. I couldn't have asked for a better transplant, so quite happy.
And what do you think of your hairline?
Quite happy with it. It's really filled in the front, and that was one of my major concerns, that I could get that density in the front, and I'm quite happy with the results.
And how has that affected your life, your outlook?
It's definitely given me more confidence. It's given me the ability to kind of change up hairstyles and just have that look that I've wanted for years.
And for anyone who's wanting to do a hair transplant?
Definitely. The whole procedure, planning, pre-op, it's been great. Dr. Gupa and his staff have been phenomenal.
And the clinic was?
Clinic was fantastic, very professional, clean, organized, just an overall great experience.